Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today really I'm just gonna give you guys my kind of daily routine. Well, I say routine because really most days I often do not have routines I actually follow, but I just go with the flow. But I'm starting something new right now in which I want to actually be able to have my days planned out. But the best thing about it is I'm going to show you guys how that goes, so you guys will literally be with me. I'm trying to get much more comfortable around the camera. Will I say the camera, or I want to actually get much more comfortable in expressing myself and showing more of my personality alongside being a photographer and a filmmaker. So let's see how that goes, because it should be really fun. Yeah, I just want to show you guys my life generally, because I know everybody out there on YouTube right now, being a creative or being a photographer or a videographer, everybody really just wants to either tend to teach people something or show what they know, or talk about gears and all of that, which is fine. I don't have an issue with that because I'm a fan myself. Literally I'm always on YouTube almost every day. Even if I'm walking, I have something playing in the background, even though I am always in my room 247. I am stuck in my room. So talking about that right now, I think I would love you guys to see the mess, how my room looks like. It's a total hot mess right now, but let me show you guys how my room looks like. God, this is so uncut right now. Okay, let me show you guys. Pretty spots. This is my favorite spot when it comes to my room right here. Although yes, you can see it is not arranged right now, but you guys should just allow it because yeah, this is my natural state. So I have my working station right here. I have my computer. I think it's an LG. Yeah, it's an LG widescreen computer right there. It is actually attached to my Mac Mini. Yeah, this one. This is the I think the original Mac Mini, the M1 version of the Mac Mini. That's it. And I got my speakers right here, which I got from Amazon. Yeah, I got the speakers off Amazon and they sound really nice. They sound really well. I got right there behind, I got my headset, should in case I'm tired of listening to the speaker, I just connect. And at the same time, when I'm going out, I use that headphones. Is it headphones? Do they call it headphones or headsets? Well, you get it, you get the gist. So let me continue showing you guys what this is. So right here I have my is it Magic Keyboard? I have my Wacom tablet right here. This has been with me for years, years. And yeah, it's actually the Bluetooth version, but I think I'm not just a fan of actually disconnecting it and using the Bluetooth. I just feel let it just keep staying plugged in. And yeah, empty can of Red Bull. I got the pen, I got the mouse, I got, okay, this one right here is not meant to be like this. It's actually meant to be mounted this way as my phone stand, but I'm currently using the stand for it to hold this camera, and I'm using right here, this one. So this is not meant to be up here. I got my lip gloss, yeah, and also I have my MacBook right here. It's not broken yet, but anyways, it's just on the stand. I have my MacBook right here. It's a M1 MacBook. It's not the Pro version because really I often do not use it. I only use that MacBook when I only use it for tethering, when I have to go down to the studio to shoot and actually tether at the same time, or maybe when I go for a location shoot and it involves me trying to copy files and all of that. That's why I use it. And maybe sometimes if I am on the go, maybe on the train, and I want to edit some pictures or just do something on my computer, reply mails, I use that MacBook. But I'm always on my I'm always on this one. And this one is a 16 gig. The 16 gig RAM, and this is 8 gig RAM. So yes, and I got this hard drive here. This is the normal hard drive, the HDD, 8 terabytes. I have that one there, but I'm always working with my SSD drives. This one right here, I got two of them. right here. Yeah, like the Samsung T5 SSD and also the SanDisk. Yeah, I think they're both 2 terabyte SSD. What else do I have on my decks? I think, yeah. So okay, I think the other good thing or the other sweet thing about my decks right here, let me show you guys a wider angle of this corner. I just love this corner so much. So the other very nice thing about this decks is it's actually a sit stand decks. So it goes up. If I see, can you imagine? Can you see this, guys? So I need to actually screw this down. I've been meaning, I've been wanting to do it every time, but trust me, I'm very lazy sometimes. Yeah, like for me to do it is like, I'll say I'll do it today, I'll do it tomorrow. I like postponing stuff a whole lot, but I think that's a bad habit I'm meant to stop this year. The reason why I decided to get this stand, the sit stand decks, is because you guys can see the height right now. It's quite tall, yeah. So very tall. You can see we can't see all of this stuff from the back. So you guys can see the height right there. It's like almost my height. So I decided to get it because I'm always sitting and my neck and my back really hurt. And I decided to get it, and it's really nice. It actually made my work on my editing faster and much more, like, should I say, easier. I'm standing and I have this right here, so I can edit for hours and hours, keep going, and once I know my legs are tired or I'm tired of standing, I could bring it back down and I sit, and that's it. Down there is the ultimate cable management. I still tried. I still try somehow, it's not all that bad. So let me bring the decks down for you guys to see. They say it's bougie in it. So yeah, see that, guys. Oh, and yeah, oops, I should have moved that away from there. I didn't know what happened. Okay, I have my inspirational quote right here, which is "There's always a way." Yes, I can. And I have my guitars right there. Oh, true story. I don't think everybody knows I actually play the guitar. Okay, I play the guitar. Or should I say I used to play the guitar? I play the guitar anytime I'm bored. Well, yeah, I used to actually play the guitar really well, but I don't know, since photography started, I do not play really often anymore, which I don't know how to play anything anymore. But I'll show you guys. The reason why I'm speaking this way is because I think I have a cold. I've been battling with cold for some time. I think for some days right now, and I'm only hoping to get better, guys. That's going to be the end of this video for now. I just wanted to show you guys and tell you guys what I want to start doing on my page, just giving you guys a little bit of insight of how I just do stuff, and more my fun part, aside being a creative, very professional photographer. Okay, I have another life also, which is like a really fun part. So that's the reason why I'm making this video. At the same time, I'll still be dropping, like, I'll still be uploading the tutorials, the behind the scenes and all of that, but I think I'm going to add more my personality alongside to these videos on my YouTube. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this particular video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao.